we do have certain temperatures that we need to reach for it to be called a heat wave. Yeah. It does look as though they will be met as we go through this weekend. Yeah, definitely some very warm, if not hot weather. Now, today has been very warm. We've seen temperatures in the mid-20s, but it has been rather cloudy. You can see here, Scarborough there at lunchtime didn't stop people from setting up the deck chairs on the beach. And also, we've had a lot of cloud in Helmsley, but the gardens there still looked beautiful. Keep those photos coming in. Now, the forecast for the weekend, it is set to stay very warm, but we are going to again see a lot of cloud, giving us some patchy rain in the north and west, and elsewhere it is going to be dry with some brightness. Now, the pressure chart shows that we have got a weather front that is stuck across parts of Yorkshire, and that is going to stay with us through the weekend, and that means we are going to keep a fair bit of cloud, but this warm air coming up from the southwest bringing us that heat. And as we head into Monday, we will see the cloud clearing away. So it looks as though Monday is going to be a fine sunny day, but also with the peak of the heat, we could be seeing temperatures in the low 30s. For today, the satellite picture does show all the cloud that we have had, and it was thick enough to give further spots of drizzle over the Pennines and the Dales. As we go through tonight, that cloud will tend to fill back in again. There will be further outbreaks of rain at times in the west, with clearer spells further east, keeping those fairly gusty winds, but a very mild night with temperatures dropping down no lower than 18 degrees, that is 64 Fahrenheit. So let's look at those high tide times. The next high water in Whitby, 6:37 tomorrow morning. Now, it will be a very mild start to the day tomorrow, but it will also be very cloudy, and that cloud thick enough to give these spots of rain, particularly across the Dales. As we go through the day, like today, we'll see that cloud thinning and breaking. So it is going to brighten up with a decent amount of sunshine developing, especially the further south and east you are. Still a fairly brisk wind from the southwest, but temperatures around 24 degrees quite widely. South Yorkshire could reach 26 or 27 degrees. Sunday is going to be very similar, but the wind is going to be a little bit lighter. Monday we'll see plenty of sunshine, and we will see temperatures up to 31 degrees.
Good grief, that's incredible. And Lisa, I was just thinking, I think it's been about 100 years since you and me worked together in this studio.
Probably about that, yeah.
Lovely to have you back. Well, we shall be doing